Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we want to find dy over dx. So in this one I can put about over dt in here, because this one and this one they can cancel and we return back to dy over dx. So dy over dt, that means we need to do first the derivative of y with respect to t. So in this situation we have like this. This one that is about the product rule of the derivative. Now we can do similar for the second one. So this one we have e to the power of t. This one that is about cosine t. This one we have e to the power of t. This one we have negative sine t. And now we have t equals to b over 4. So we can put b over 4 gone here. And we have the final answer. So if we put b over 4, we can see that this one equals to number 0. That means this number divided by number 0, you will see that this one does not exist of this value when t equals to b over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.